Cleaning wall joints, align, trim, and extend. Let's clean the wall edges. Go to the plan view. Select the middle wall and drag the control to join with the vertical wall. I can also use the align command to make sure my walls are perfectly aligned. On the Modify tab, select the Align tool. Select the reference element, that is, the element to align other elements to. In this case, I will select the vertical wall. Then, select the elements to be aligned. Move the cursor over the element until part of the element with the reference element is highlighted. Click once to register the align.